Best Window Replacement Company, North Raleigh, North Carolina, 919-588-4473. Thank you for clicking on this content about Best Window Replacement Company, North Raleigh, North Carolina. Call us now if you need window replacement for your home or business. Our phone number is 919-588-4473. We are available to help you with installations and repairs of windows and doors. Also, today we are going to learn about Consumer Reports Best Window Replacement Buying Guide. When replacing your windows, you want to ensure that you're receiving the best value for your money. Fortunately, there are a few approaches you can use. Research window replacement buying guides online or at home improvement stores before doing comparison shopping or hiring someone to complete the project for you. These guidelines will give you useful details on the several window types that can increase the effectiveness of your heating and cooling system, advice on appropriate installation, and different alternatives for materials and frames. Additionally, reading reviews or getting advice from friends who have just completed a window replacement project may be helpful. Before deciding to get a window replacement, take some further measures to conduct research. This could help you save money and get the most return on your investment. Why should I replace the windows in my house? There are a number of benefits to installing new windows if you have been debating it. It can not only make your house seem nicer, but it can help lower your heating and cooling costs. Windows for new construction come in a range of designs and compositions. They may provide a high-end appearance that may increase the value of your house. It's common for older windows to let heat and air in. Those with inadequate seals permit moisture and drafts, which can result in condensation and the growth of mold. Additionally, newer windows are safer. The rotting frames of many older windows make them more prone to breaking. Dangerous issues may result from this in the future. New windows can also improve the curb appeal of your house. Potential buyers will be more likely to purchase your home if they see that you invested in new windows. By doing this, you can lessen the amount of noise and drafts that enter your home through the windows. Customers demand homes that are energy efficient. Your outdated windows won't be up to their requirements. The new ones will contribute to the health of your HVAC system. Additionally, the windows you install ought to be simple to clean. In the winter, especially, windows can become dingy and dusty. Maintaining them clean helps lower your utility costs. Your windows should be replaced as soon as possible if they begin to shatter or degrade. Your family will remain safe and secure if you do this. They can also improve the comfort of your house. Available window types and how they rate. Your home's appearance can be significantly impacted by the replacement windows you select. In addition to looking wonderful, they can cut your electricity expenses and raise the curb appeal of your home. But before you start looking, you need to be aware of the many kinds of windows that are out there and how they are rated. Windows in new building are made to be simple to install. Many have nailing fins, which make it possible to seal the window tightly. Some windows feature removable fins, but it's crucial to be sure that doing so won't cause harm to the overall window. Another choice is vinyl replacement windows, which are highly well liked by homeowners. The substance is resilient and weather resistant. They have a high resale value in addition. A dependable and traditional option are wooden windows. However, installing them might be pricey. Additionally, water intrusion can cause wood to degrade. Similar to that, wood windows struggle in humid environments. An alternate is aluminum. These are less energy efficient but more resilient than wooden windows. They are a wise decision for wet conditions. Usually, they adhere to strict building standards for hurricanes. Composite windows are a fantastic energy-efficient solution. These are often made of organic materials. An excellent option is a vinyl frame. Energy efficiency is an additional choice. Although they give additional flexibility, these are comparable to single-hung windows. Either the top sash or the bottom sash can be opened independently. You can easily wash your windows this way from the inside. Best Window Replacement Company, North Raleigh, North Carolina, 919-588-4473.